Chatham returns to PDAC 2023, the premier world stage for resource investor opportunities. From Wellington, New Zealand, Chatham Rock Phosphate Limited, trading on the TSXV under the symbol NZP and on the NZX under the symbol CRP, wishes to confirm that it will again have a strategically located booth, number 2993, in the Investors Exchange in the Prospectors and Developers Association of Canada annual conference being staged in Toronto from March 5 to March 9. PDAC is demonstrably the largest mining investment show in the world and has proven to be a most successful venue for the company in the past. Showcasing Chatham at PDAC has led to subsequent, robust investor support not only from Canada and the USA, but Germany, Switzerland, and the United Kingdom. The company will again be represented by CEO Chris Castle and Executive Director Colin Randall. The Chatham Renaissance. Attendance at PDAC 2023 is only a small part of Chatham's present drive to inform world markets about our company's renaissance in the last 2.5 years. Over the last 30 months, Chatham has transformed from a single project company facing an uncertain and expensive permitting hurdle to a rapidly expanding group of projects much closer to generating operating cash flows with prospects further boosted by phosphate prices close to 10-year highs. These projects have three main focuses: phosphate, rare earths, and selenium. The existing phosphate projects are 1. Chatham Rise Marine Project in New Zealand, planned production rate 1.5 million tons per annum from 2027. 2. Avenir Makatia, onshore phosphate mine, rehabilitation project, planned production rate 250,000 tons per annum. 3. Corella Mine, production rate 250,000 tons per annum once the acquisition is enforced. 4. Corella South, 2 million tons per annum export-focused mine. 5. Corella North, 250,000 tons per annum production rate aimed at the domestic phosphate market. 6. Corella Terminals, 5 million tons per annum phosphate export facility to be established at the Port of Townsville. 2 million tons per annum rail loading facility located adjacent Corella North. And 7. Corella MCP Cloncurry-based monocalcium phosphate manufacturing plant expected to produce 100,000 tons per annum of MCP starting in 2025. These projects already had attractive operating margins well before the recent surge in phosphate prices. Further, all the phosphate deposits concerned are ultra-low in cadmium, a food safety attribute already essential in Europe and likely to become a universal requirement. Ultra-low cadmium rock phosphate is relatively rare and will over time become an increasingly valuable and strategic resource. Rare earths are present on the Chatham Rise as well as in the three Corella project areas. In October, the company advised research progress regarding extraction of rare earth elements from phosphate minerals by Pacific Rare Earths. Chatham's Australian company, Avenir Makatia Proprietary Limited, commissioned the CSIRO work program. Following encouraging results from Stage 1 of culturing microbes potentially suitable for biomining, CSIRO will do more testing as part of an overall program to evaluate bioleaching to extract rare earth elements. The first step was the enrichment of natural microbes in three geologic horizons within Corella, Corella North and Corella South sites in northwest Queensland. Under controlled lab conditions, the native microbes were cultured and have demonstrated 3 orders of magnitude cell growth. In other words, from 106 to 107 to 109 to 10 cells per milliliter, over 4 days. Additional subculturing of the cultures further enriched native microbes. In the last 12 months, Chatham has also directed its energies towards acquiring potential selenium sources, both organic and inorganic. Selenium conducts different amounts of electricity, depending on how much light is hitting it. It also can convert light to electricity. Consequently, it is used in photoelectric cells, light meters, TV cameras, photocopiers, solar cells, and semiconductors. Hence, selenium is a key requirement for many aspects of the technology we routinely use in our daily lives. Biologically, selenium is also necessary for human life. Its role is that of a cleanser or protector. It shields against cancers and other diseases by scavenging for free radical oxidants and some heavy metals. Natural selenium deficiency in rocks and soils may be related to the incidence of stroke in humans, and excess selenium can cause deformities and disease in animals. For more information, contact Chris Castle on 021-558-185 or chris@widespread.co.nz or check out www.rockphosphate.co.nz. Neither the exchange, its regulation service provider, as that term is defined under the policies of the exchange, or NZX Limited has in any way passed upon the merits of the transaction and associated transactions, and has neither approved nor disapproved of the contents of this press release.